Wow, look, you guys.
Yeah, check that out.
It's wild how everything's so calm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is God's country.
Boomage.
It's all hunkered down, you guys.
Hunkered down. That's right. We got her tightened up. Oh. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, she's all tightened up and boomage. Because, yeah, look at that. But, yeah.
But it...
I don't know how bad. I looked at the radar earlier, and it looked like, you know, some just moderate thunderstorms. So I think it's just now rolling in. It's about, what time is it? 6:30? Yep.
Yep.
6:30.
It's 6:30 and it feels...
She tippy-toeing over here. I'm sorry. I try to keep it level.
He
Sorry.
doesn't.
I do try. But anyways, all right. We got this, like I said, buttoned up. Or what'd you say?
Hunkered down.
Hunkered down. Yeah. You're...
Calm before the storm, guys. Just like life, guys. It's always changing. Baby.
What?
It's coming.
Yeah, it's coming. Boomage. Hey, yeah, we thought we'd do a little behind the scenes, if you will. Throw in here. This is right before the live, or not right before the live, but leading up to where we put the notification out and our thumbnail. So yeah, we thought, hey, why not? We just dadgum throw a big, yeah, little behind the scenes clip in there.
Yeah. Do y'all remember that song? I gotta wash that grave right.
Oh my gosh. Do they even sell that anymore? Anyways.
Do they?
Whatever. Anyways, behind the scenes, Saturday Night Live Yurt. If you missed it and you're watching this, go back. Yeah. See y'all then, Yurt.
Babe.
I'm putting this on over the shirt.
Oh.
See? Yeah.
Trying to look all good.
This is for the people that do care and love us and come in the lives. And you know what? I don't know. I'm just, this is called dress rehearsal, people. Dress rehearsal. Fixing to get a thumbnail for y'all for the live. Cynthia's wondering or not if she should have this green D or not. Huh? I don't know. You better hurry. It's almost time. Guys, we're about to go live.
We're about to go live.
So yeah.
We will see you.
Yeah, in the live.
In the live.
And if you missed it, go back and watch it. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Love y'all.
Love y'all.
Yeah, it got cold, y'all. Good morning. It's cold this morning. And, yeah. I always turn off the generator at night. We cuddle up. go to bed, go to sleep, stay warm. But now I've got to crank this thing up. Battery. So that's when it's cold, that's typical morning right there. Boomage, good morning.
Good morning to y'all. Good morning to y'all. And it's Happy Sunday today.
That's right.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Happy Sunday!
But anyways, got the heat on for you.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you very much, baby.
Yes.
My man has it all toasty and comfortable and everything in here, guys, this morning.
Yeah.
Look, you guys. There's my baby's brushing his teeth. Yes. Get him clean, baby.
Yeah. Haha.
Yes, guys.
My baby trying to match me all the time.
Yeah. This used to be...
Little Red Riding Hood.
Hey, you guys, this used to be my nanny's.
Yeah.
And it's close to my heart.
I
I just...
I think I remember her wearing that.
Yeah, I love it.
She put that bright red lipstick on. And then baby blue, ice blue, like iceberg blue, whatever eyes Nanny had. You got them eyes. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I just got old brown eyes.
And I love them.
But, hey, I love them eyes. Thank you, Nanny. Yeah. But anyways, oh my gosh, I'm tired. That live was awesome. It was fun. Hopefully everybody smiled, or in those that come in and watched afterwards, hopefully you got a smile. And whatever we're going through out there, guys, ladies, bless you. So whatever everybody's going through out there, guys, just don't give up. Keep going. Keep fighting. Keep pushing. Don't matter how strong of an addiction, whatever it is, let's dadgum beat it. Because we're better than that. We don't deserve to be held down by stings, you know. So, and I'm speaking of myself too and others. But yeah, so we're gonna get out of here and enjoy Sunday. So y'all have an awesome day, awesome evening, and awesome night. And we love you guys. We appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah.
You know we're wearing red today.
Yeah.
For Hearts on Fire. I just want to tell, I just want to say to everybody, please never, ever, ever give up.
That's right.
Because you are so worth, and you're so, so special. And hold on to this. You have a purpose. I promise with all my heart, you have a purpose.
That's right, y'all. We do.
That's right, baby. So that being said, you guys, love you guys.
Yeah. You just went blank.
Wait.
What?
Love you guys.
Bye.